How's it going, guys? It's Saturday lunchtime. What a beautiful day. So, I got a text from Udizzy last night at 4 o'clock in the morning to tell me that he's coming to the mini bike show, and the only way I can win that show is if he leaves his bike home. You know what I was doing at 4 o'clock in the morning? I was writing my ad for the dating site. I had written already, middle-aged, balding, fat man looking for hot babe that's a mute and an orphan. And I figure I'll post that out there, see if I get any responses. So, you Dizzy, don't text me at 4 o'clock in the morning anymore. Back out here in Happy Land, working on the compressor up there. A little contact switch, a little piece of, it's like a pointer and a piece of plastic that it sits and rides on, is dry. And it's making it hang up every once in a while. So, put some Slocco oil on there and give it a try. You always got the blow-off valves. Okay, give it a little lubrication. It should be near the top of that cycle. Can't beat that. One right after the other. So, good enough for me, guys. I can't touch nothing on the body today. I got Slocco oil on my hands.